हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो सब लोग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल इन्फिनिटी आवर्स। सो वन क्वेश्चन फॉर यू ऑल, डू यू ऑल फेस द सेम प्रॉब्लम व्हाट आई फेस? लाइक अगर आपको कोई वीडियो शूट करना है तो मोबाइल पकड़ने के लिए कोई रहता नहीं आपको, और मोबाइल सपोर्ट रखने के लिए भी आपको कुछ चीज़ें मिलती नहीं है, तो आप परेशान हो जाते हो। you'll feel how will I shoot the video, because it become very difficult when you have no one to hold the mobile and you need to record a video. So this problem I was facing since so long time, and finally I found a really unique product, and this is the product which is from Mobilife. So I purchased the product from Amazon, and this is it. If I show you in closer, here you can attach to your GoPro camera, and you also can attach the LED light. The Bluetooth also supports the iOS and also the Android. And inside there is a manual. Apart from this, nothing else. So for now I am just keeping it aside, and let's open the box. So this is my first purchase. Before this I never bought anything like this. So let me see what is hidden inside. So this is the product. Is really cool, and उसको आप पकड़ोगे तो this grips is very nice. Like it feel like you are holding something. It's very tough, and the finish is mix up of some matte finish, and here they made some glossy, here a little bit glossy. The build quality is really nice. And in the back side, this is the holder for the mobile. You can simply turn like this and do like this. तो ये पूरा ऐसा घूम जाता है, तो आप इसको ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं। मोबाइल लगा के इसको ऐसे भी घुमा सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे क्लिप दिया गया है, सो यू कैन जस्ट प्रेस इट एंड पुल इट लिटिल आउटसाइड, यानी यहाँ पे आप आपका मोबाइल लगा के आप शूट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं आपको मोबाइल लगा के दिखा दूंगा, तो अभी मैं थोड़ा इसको बंद कर देता हूँ। और ये वाला चीज़ आप यहाँ पे यू कैन अटैच टू योर GoPro, तो इसको भी आप घुमा सकते हैं। ये भी पूरा ऐसा घूम जाता है। ये थोड़ा टाइट है, इतना इजीली नहीं घूमेगा, और ये स्क्रू भी आप ऐसा खोल सकते हैं। So I don't have any GoPro, so I'm just keeping it like this, and here is the Bluetooth button, so you can simply, if you want to take out, you can simply take out like this, and if you want to attach, just आप इसको पकड़ के इसे लगा सकते हैं, तो ये गिरेगा नहीं, ये पूरा फिक्स्ड हो गया। द बेस, दिस इज द बेस, तो इसको आप सिंपली ऐसा प्रेस करोगे, सो इट विल ओपन अप लाइक दिस, और आप इसको थोड़ा ऐसे पुश करोगे तो नीचे तक आ जाएगा इजीली। सो ये ऐसा दिखेगा कुछ। And the next thing, the best thing, You simply can pull it like this and it will be like long, long, long and long enough. So you can see the height of this thing is 5 feet. Let me show you the bottom part. So for indoor shoot and all, this is very good, I can say. So let me close it again. It's very simple. Just press and push like this. It will come to its place. I really love this thickness. आपके हाथ में बहुत अच्छे से आ जाएगा. आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि बहुत पतला है, बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा है. Is very average and nice, and it will fit in your hand. Let me attach my mobile and show you. So to attach, आप सिर्फ इसको क्लिप को थोड़ा खोल दो. Yes, extend हो जाएगा. So whatever your mobile size is, it will definitely fit, I believe. तो मैं इस पे अपना मोबाइल लगा देता हूँ. So like this you can fit your mobile very easily. और ये गिरेगा नहीं. अब कितना भी जोर से मारो नहीं गिरेगा. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोडक्ट होते हैं जो मैंने देखा है एक्चुअली मोबाइल को अच्छे से पकड़ता नहीं है और कुछ दिन बाद इसका ग्रिप ढीला हो जाता है और मोबाइल गिर जाता है और लूज हो जाता है. बट दिस इज़ वेरी टाइट. इफ़ यू रोटेट, सिंपली यू कैन रोटेट लाइक दिस. और आपको ऐसा घुमाना है तो इसको भी आप ऐसे घुमा सकते हैं. तो आप देख सकते हैं इट्स नॉट फॉलिंग, इट्स वेरी टाइट. लेट मी ट्राई द ब्लूटूथ and see how it works. I'm taking this remote out now so that I can show you how it works. So simply I'm taking it out. इसको मैं बड़ा कर देता हूँ. So here I'm just switching on the Bluetooth. And you can simply press this button just for a few seconds. So this light will blink. Go to the Bluetooth setting. Here let me make it like this. Okay. I believe things are a little visible for you. So here you will get to see the option selfie. Just select and pair it. So this will ask for the pairing part. Just simply click on pair. After some time it will get connected and it will show you like this selfie. Now go back to the camera option. Let me take my selfie and show you. So as per their manual is written, it will support Android 4.4 and iOS 5.0. So let me try my selfie. So you can see here. So this is really working fine. After a lot of search, I found a really nice product, and it was my first purchase, so I think I got the right thing. So if you are interested to buy something like this, I must say you must go for this product. This is very handy and very nice. I think it will solve all your problem if you're facing the same problem what I am facing. So from now I don't have to worry. I can easily shoot from anywhere, either from indoor, outdoor, or if I want to do some selfie video or whatever, it's the best solution for me. So friends, how do you like my video? आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. And if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel and help my channel, the small channel, to make little bit big, and also share the thing, because I search a lot to get this product. So if you share more people will get to know, and obviously more people will be helpful, those who are facing problem like me. So sharing is everything. And if you are interested to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. आप जा सकते हैं, you can just visit the link and you can purchase the product from Amazon. I make different videos, so you also can watch the videos. You can visit my playlist and you can watch many videos. तो मिलते हैं कुछ नया चीज़ के साथ अगले वीडियो में. Until then, take care and have a great time. Thank you.